Hello, I am doing a preview of my February the 7th, 2024 budget. And I always leave my paycheck empty because we're not quite sure exactly how much we're going to make. There's bonus in here. The bonus should hit also this week. And then I have total here, so I will add this later. But I know what my expenses are going to be. What my expenses, we get 3 paychecks. No, I'm sorry, not 3 paychecks. We get 3 pay periods. It is our W-2 comes in twice a month, and then the pension check comes in once a month. So that's 3 checks. And I divide all bills into 3. So this is divided by 3. So the phone is going to be higher this month because Honey did something. He said the first one he's in charge of that. So it's going to be $37. The internet is going to be $23. Natural gas is $10. Electric is $81. This is not times 3. What happened with the electric? I wasn't sure what it was, so I wasn't given enough for it. And then when the bill comes in, I just pay the difference because when we start dividing, this one is adjusted. It adjusts. The rent is $500. Car insurance is $94. Carvana is $5. Amazon is $5. Tolls $10. I also got my tolls automatic deducted from my account when it goes under $25. So I want to make sure there's something in there when it does that. And car wash is $26. Subscriptions are, I'm trying to get a buffer in subscriptions. So subscriptions is $50. I think subscriptions now have $60. I'm going to lower this eventually because I think too much is going in there, but I just want to get a feel of how much goes out a month. And we are contributing to a Charles Schwab account, so $50 for that. So altogether, this is $891 for bills. This is debt, and Discover is $138. Citibank is $51. Tremont, which is a Visa, is $97. Uplift is $54. Uplift 2 is $84. These are travel loans that we had. Love's card, that's my car, is $172. Honey's car is $225. Honey's car isn't divided. It just comes out. And it's $821 for debt. And if we look at variable expenses, grocery is $150, household supplies $20, health and beauty is $30, office is $15, allowance is $120, gas is $300. We went up with gas because we just gone too many places. And vape is $30, booze is $20, Amelia, that's her college fund, is $35. Over the bridge for my honey is $100, and office is $15. This is every 2 weeks. And over here, I listed what was cash because last pay period, I forgot to put the electricity and the natural gas for cash. And I didn't have enough cash. I had to go back to the bank to take it out. So I just want to make sure that when I add it up here and get the bills, I'll know. So what will happen is we will put our income here and subtract our expenses. And then with what the difference is, I will stuff the 100 envelope challenge. And we also have a challenge. We do one challenge a month. And we have a $300 challenge to do for February. And I'll stuff as much as possible for the 100 envelope challenge. I also added this because I know electricity is high in the summer around here. I'm going to try to save a hundred for electricity because usually June, July, August. So it'll probably be $100 more, I would think. So if I could save 3 of these, I'll be happy. And I will have a closeout, like my wallet, going through my wallet and switching over, because today is Thursday and I don't think I need to. Maybe I'll do that. I think we have time. Let's do that. Let's switch over because tomorrow's Friday and I don't know if I'm going to have time to do all these things. We keep our credit cards in here due to the fact that we don't really use our credit cards anymore. This is the second week for our categories. I have grocery. I've spent so much on groceries this week that this $10 will definitely be enough. But what I'm going to do is take any ones out that I have. I have a star bill. I'm going to take any one that I have in my envelope. And let me see. I got 20 in my health and beauty. Household has 15. My thing still has 10 in it. I'm on a no spend challenge, so I'm not trying to spend. And office has 10. Copay has 5. I think home has some ones in it. Yeah. Home has 2 ones and $30 in it. So this is for what I have here is our allowance. This is my allowance, but I'm going to do a savings challenge for my allowance. And this is Honey's. I'll let him take it. I got 2 5s. This is Honey's allowance. And this is, I don't think he's going over the bridge, but he said that he didn't need the money for over the bridge, but I said, you might as well just keep it. So whenever you want to go over there, you have the money. So if you don't decide to go over for a little bit, then there's still $50 here for you to take out whenever you want to. This is Honey. No, I think I took mine to put it here. So what I am going to do is, now I'm gonna do this on my, when I do my next one, I'm going to do it. I don't feel like taking it out and coloring it. So I got 30, 40 here. And I should continue to do a no spend this week. I got to think about that. We'll see. And my star bill, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 star bills. When I first started collecting star bills, I could never get one. It was like I could never get one. And what I'll do is I'll put these 3 in here. And I put it in this rack when I have 50. I think I have like 29. I don't have 50. 30, 31, 32. I got 32. So when I get 50, I take it out and I put it over there to be used in my 100 envelope saving challenge. Okay, everyone. I'll see you in another week when I actually do the budget. Okay, have a good evening.